we put these things together in a way that anybody who has some degree of openness and willingness and wish to practice and enhance their life qualities, I think they will able to do it, because we put it in a way it's not too many or too complicated. These three practices can be also done separately, but recommended to do it together. So for example, 9 breathing one can always do before you, if you're doing a sitting practices, any form of sitting practice, vipassana, shamatha, whatever a form of sitting practices that you're doing, if you do a 9 breathing before, it will clear your mind, your breath and your body, and bring you in a new space, a new place to rest.
One of the uniqueness of the Tibetan yoga, of this Khor practice, is that not only you're in a meditative state of mind, or you're trying to be in that meditative state of mind, you're utilizing the breath, which helps you not only maintain that state of mind, but also start opening the different energetic chakras, we call them energetic centers in the body, and the channels. And as we open that, we're open to experiences that arise, but also that we're very much embodied. We're not just in our mind. We're here thoroughly feeling our body, feeling that breath that goes through our body, and understanding our mind. So each movement helps, with the help of the breath, to take obstacles away and allow our mind to settle, connect deeper to ourselves, and as we connect deeper to ourselves, connect deeper to others.
These practices are ancient Tibetan practices coming from hundreds of years, from master to student, unbroken lineage. Tradition is very alive and kept this tradition and benefited hundreds and thousands of people throughout the centuries. And so ancient time in Tibet, many times these yogis has used these practices to prevent and heal diseases. So this is what is believed, and also many times it also is a very important part, is that it enhances a deep spiritual quality and spiritual development.